Hello, today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic. We are going to see what are the free courses are available or providing from greatlearning.com, mygreatlearning.com. Okay. So before that, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel. Let's discuss and see what are the free courses are available from greatlearning.com. Okay, mygreatlearning.com. So this is the link, and here you can see for AI courses, there are a lot of courses are available for beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And also the timings, if you want any short courses or lengthy durations, that also we can filter out. And here you can see here introduction to artificial intelligence, application of AI, introduction deep learning, neural network, TensorFlow, Keras, Python, and also neural network in R language. There are a lot many courses. Back propagations, so many pages are there. Almost 56 AI courses are available. Okay, you can go through one by one, and if you want to select any specific, that also we can filter out here. For natural language processing, sentimental analysis, face detection with OpenCV in Python, building recommendation system, AI in healthcare, there are a lot of free courses are available. And if you want to study any other courses, that also available. So here you can see, you can filter out a topic. If you want to study about any data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital marketing, chat gpt and generative AI, cyber security, there are big data, UI UX design, master classes. So here you can see AWS for beginners, digital marketing, natural language processing, MySQL, HTML, front end development. There are a lot of courses are available. You can check it out, and this is free only. And one more thing, I just want to highlight here for stats. Let me quickly open one thing, one courses. So once you enroll, once you select finish this course, you will also get the certification at the time of completion. This is free only, so you can study and learn the and earn the certifications. Okay, study, learn, and earn the certification freely. This will help you for your career development. Okay, and I will post you the link in my description, video description. You can check that, or else you can google it, mygreatlearning.com free courses. So which course you want to study, that also you can study. If you want any AI courses or any stat, any machine learning or Python related or any other stuff like front end UI designs, all the thing you can check it out and earn the certifications. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment, and I will reply as soon as I see.